In today's lesson, we want to look at expanded notation. Expanded notation is a way of writing a number by showing the value of each digit based on its place in the number. For example, take the number 472,967. Each digit has a place value. Okay. So in this lesson, introductory is expanded notation. Saka tichitarisa expanded notation zviri kuitika ndeizvi. Tikatora an example yenumber inoi 472,967. Tikada kuisa our place values tinge chiti units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands and 100,000s like this. Saka zviri kuitika pa ndezvekuti tikatora 4 inoi iri under 100,000s, tikada kutaura the value of this 4 iri under 100,000s, it's actually 400,000. What about this 7 iri under 10,000s, so that inge iri 70,000. What about this 2 iri under thousands, so that inge iri 2,000. What about this 9 iri under hundreds, in 900. This 6 iri under tens is 60, and that 7 remains 7 since iri under units. So zvatamboita patanga tichidzidza about finding the value of a number inside a number. Patanga tichiti what is the value of 7? Turn out it's 70,000. Taiwana through multiplying 7 times 10,000, since 7 iri under 10,000s. This is what we are going to be doing now, but rather tinge tichidai so 472,967 is actually equal to 4 uno ushu. Then tuata substitute kana kuti ticha replace manamba amwe ese ari kumberi kwa 4 nemasero. Saka it's 400,000, the value of 4 plus the value of 7. Chesa 7 amwe ese anova masero yova 70,000. Tuatati plus the value of 2 amwe ese masero 2,000 plus the value of 9 amwe ese masero 900 plus the value of 6, that's 60, then plus 7, which is the last unit. Saka 472,967 in over 400,000 plus 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 7. That is expanding the number. Ndosaka ichinzi expanded notation. Let us look at example 4. Saka toda kuita example 4. In our next lesson, tichazoita practice exercise 4. Saka for our example 4, zviri kunzi, express the following numbers in expanded form. Saka tina A inovachi 472,967 iri equal to 4, the value of 4, which is 400,000, plus the value of 7, 70,000, plus the value of 2, 2,000, plus the value of 9, 900, plus the value of 6, 60, plus the unit 7, like that. And what about per B? B tina 333,924, which is equal to, totangana 3 wekutanga 300,000, then 3 anotevera plus 30,000 plus 3 unoyu 3,000, twadati plus 9 uyo 900 plus 2 uyo 20, then lastly plus 4. saka kana tadai so tinenge tatoita expanded notation. Meet up next lesson patenge takuita practice exercise 4.